This is the Asus Zenbook 14, one of the most interesting laptops on the market right now, with an innovative touchpad with added functionality and an impressive performance for your everyday needs. With a large LED backlit display, sturdy aluminum build, and up-to-date specs, it makes a strong case for being the best notebook for under $1,200 that I've reviewed. So how good is the Asus Zenbook 14 when compared to other options in this price range? And what kind of user experience can you expect? Well, let's get into the video to find out. The Asus Zenbook 14 has a small footprint and it's relatively lightweight at only 3 pounds, so it's a great option for anyone who's always on the go. It has a slim, compact aluminum alloy chassis with no noticeable flexing or bending, and it's undergone MIL STD 810H testing that guarantees it'll hold up over time. Overall, I thought that the build quality was fantastic for a laptop under $1,200, with no noticeable faults in the construction or in the stability. The hinges also feel robust and they keep the screen firmly in place, but you can still open it with a single hand and you can open it up to 135 degrees. I really like how the lid actually acts as a kickstand when it's open, which raises the back of the keyboard to give better airflow. It comes with a range of ports to connect your peripherals, including 2 future-proofed USB Type-C connections with Thunderbolt 4, 1 USB Type-A port, and an HDMI port for video output, along with a micro SD card reader to transfer data quickly from mobile devices. You also get a reliable Bluetooth 5.0 compatibility, and it has Wi-Fi 6, which performs up to 3 times faster than the previous version. I thought the keyboard was solid, and it performed well with everyday typing tasks. It has large flat keys that are spaced out with a very clear pressure point, good actuation distance, and a satisfying tactile feedback. Although heavy typists might find it somewhat noisy, it remained comfortable over long use. And it also has backlighting, and I was able to toggle between 3 different illumination settings with the function key. The jump out key features is an innovative and Asus exclusive screen pad, which swaps a normal trackpad for a secondary 5.65-inch FHD Plus touchscreen display with several productivity enhancing shortcuts. The touchpad is positioned relatively far away from the keyboard, which takes a little bit of getting used to, but it also provides a very large area to glide across. It includes a conveniently placed number pad for entering data and a quick key function to perform commonly used keyboard sequences automatically, and it provides easy access to your favorite apps. While I thought it had limited functionality, it was still very responsive to commands, and you can conveniently disable it when you're just using a regular trackpad. It also registers handwriting if you need to jot something down quickly. The audio quality is very good for a laptop speaker, and the twin speaker design comes with a Harman Kardon certification, but the maximum volume isn't that loud. I was impressed, however, that it comes with an AI-assisted noise cancellation technology to filter out ambient background noise, which is a great feature to find in a sub $1,200 laptop, and it comes with 4 modes to pick from, including normal, balanced, single presenter, and a multi-presenter mode for a group conference call. If you're enjoying this video and you learned something about the Asus Zenbook 14, be sure to give the video a like. It helps the channel out a lot, and if you're interested in updated pricing, be sure to check out the links in the description. It comes with an LED backlit 14-inch FHD touchscreen display with outstanding responsiveness, but the screen is kind of reflective, so it might not be best for outdoor use. It has a 1920 by 1080 resolution with solid brightness that delivers a very clear and sharp image with decent color reproduction across a variety of content, along with very stable viewing angles from the IPS screen. The Nano Edge display has thin bezels and a 92% screen to body ratio for plenty of screen real estate, and the thicker top bezel houses a webcam with adequate image quality and Windows Hello support, which provides facial recognition for secure logins. If the display is an important factor for you, the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 costs much less, and it gives you a 2073 by 1824-inch touchscreen resolution, and it has a great portable 2-in-1 design, but it lacks the Thunderbolt connectivity and has a much smaller display. I thought that the battery performance was outstanding compared to the competitors at under $1,200, and it won't have any issues lasting all day. It delivers around 10 hours of runtime that can be extended closer to 16 with more modest energy consumption, and it charges through either one of the USB-C ports, so you'll always have an open slot while charging. You get the latest 11th generation quad-core Intel i7 1165G7 processor with a basic clock speed of 2.8 GHz and a turbo speed of up to 4.7 GHz, and it comes in different configurations based on your needs. I also thought that the performance was high-end for a laptop, and it handled web browsing, streaming, and daily computing tasks with ease. You can toggle between whisper mode for quiet operation and standard mode, and a performance mode to maintain the turbo speed without dropping off, although this really drains the battery. It also has an impressive 16 gigs of RAM that allows you to multitask with multiple apps simultaneously without really noticeably dropping the performance at all. The 512GB SSD storage is generous, and it provides more than enough capacity for your files as long as you're not video editing. I was really impressed with how well the Zenbook 14 handles games, considering it's not intended to be a gaming laptop. It comes with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce MX45 graphics core that delivers genuinely functional frame rates for some moderately intensive games, but larger games can be too demanding even with reduced settings. If you want a computer that can handle games better, the MSI Alpha 15 is a more affordable gaming-oriented alternative, and it comes with a 4GB Radeon RX 5500 GPU for better performance and a slightly larger screen with a smoother 144Hz refresh rate, but the 4-hour battery life is significantly worse and the processor is weaker. Overall, the Asus Zenbook 14 is one of the higher end options within this price range for good reason. With its premium aluminum chassis and its exceptional battery runtime, it's an outstanding option if you're looking at the best laptop for under $1,200. Is it the perfect laptop? No, but it's still pretty good. If you're a gamer, then the MSI Alpha 15 is a nice option, and if you want a more affordable option, then the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is worth considering. The Asus Zenbook 14 matches the top-notch specs and relatively affordable price, and it's a great all-around laptop design to handle your everyday tasks for a wide range of users. I would definitely recommend it if you want to get a sub $1,200 laptop, but that's just my opinion. Let me know your guys' opinions in the comments. For links to updated pricing on all the items mentioned, be sure to check out the description. And if you guys learned something or you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you like short, informative tech videos. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.